This problem is from section 10.1, in which we're introducing ordered pairs. As you notice, we have an equation, y equals 1/5 x minus 2. In the first order pair, we know that x is equal to 5. And in the second order pair, we have y equals to 3. So what we have to do, as the instructions say, complete each ordered pair so that it is a solution of the given linear equation. So we know that the equation is y equals 1/5 x minus 2. So in order for us to solve for y for the first ordered pair, all we have to do is substitute. So we have y equals 1/5 times 5 minus 2. And we notice that we have 1/5. We can make 5 into an improper fraction, 5 over 1. So we have 5 times 1 is 5 over 5 minus 2. So therefore, 5 divided by 5 is 1 minus 2, so y would be negative 1. So the first order pair is 5 comma negative 1. The second order pair, we have to solve for x since we have y equals 3. So therefore, we have to substitute into the equation the value of y. And we have to solve for x. So the value of y is equal to 3. So we have 3 is equal to 1/5 x minus 2. So in the first order pair, we have to substitute x equals 5. In the second order pair, we have to substitute y equals 3. So now we have 3 equals 1/5 x minus 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to solve for x. So we're going to go ahead and add 2. And that would be the additive inverse. And we have negative 2 plus 2, which is 0. And we have 3 plus 2, which is 5, is equal to 1/5 x. If you notice, we have a fraction 1/5. So we're going to multiply both sides by 5 over 1. So we notice that the 5s are going to cancel. They become 1. And 1 divided by 1 is 1. So we're left with x. And we can make 5 an improper fraction. And we have 5 times 5, which is 25, divided by 1, which is 25. So the second order pair is 25, comma 3.